Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, we going over how to promote Max Bounty e-commerce products using video advertising platforms like Sprizzy, Facebook ads, and YouTube ads. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, I got inspired to make this video because every time I go on YouTube and search for Max Bounty tutorials, just seeing how other people are doing it, I notice everybody follows the same exact method. They show you their Max Bounty earnings, then they say, go to my ClickFunnels course and pay money for me to teach you. Now, I'm not going to be doing that. This YouTube video is actually my Max Bounty course. Every YouTube video you see Yon World Max Bounty is actually my Max Bounty course, and I'm giving it to you raw, straight up, no ClickFunnels. Now, on this video, we're getting real specific in Max Bounty. Max Bounty is the source in which we're finding the CPA offers. You know, I recommend Max Bounty for this method, but you could use any CPA platform. They have e-commerce products like this. Now, what we're doing is we're searching for e-commerce products. Now, I already went through Max Bounty, and this is something a lot of affiliates don't do. They don't show you the exact offer. So I already went through, bookmarked some good offers and to use for this method. Now, a couple good offers I recommend, which you can find video promotion on, video promotion clips, and I'm gonna show you an example of that, are the water mask econ products. And at any time you could pause this video, you know, get these offers, write them down, remember them. Remember, every offer I show you does not have a daily cap. So, you know, if you have a small advertising budget or a large advertising budget, no matter how many leads you get, you know, you won't be capped off. And a lot of Max Bounty products have caps. And any video you see with me, I'm never gonna show you a product or promote an offer on Max Bounty that has a cap. I want you to maximize, you know, your advertising budget and your time spent on these offers. Now, one offer you can go with when you're promoting e-commerce products using video marketing is the water mask. Now, another one is the Cool Sleep Pillow, which is very big, great sales. You know, you could do the Cool Sleep Pillow. It's a lot of promo videos you could use. I'm going to teach you how to get the promo videos, how to source them, and what to do with them. So, promo Cold Sleep Pillow, right? And then another one is the Smart Translator. I just seen an ad running for the Smart Translator. This is something that's going to blow up in 2020. It's actually a real-time translator in which you pick up, you know, the person's voice and it'll translate it back to English. You could talk in English, it'll translate it back into the person's native tongue. So this is a great product that a lot of people that travel are going to be very interested in. So another one is the iWeight scale, because health and fitness is the #1 industry when we're talking about making money online. Health and fitness, people invest in that the most. So like I said, all of these offers, all the traffic is good, or there's no daily cap. You're going to be immediately approved if you start a Max Bounty account today. Now, the offer we're going to be focused on this video is the water mask, but you can use this method for any of these offers I showed you, which were the Cool Sleep Pillow, the Smart Translator, or the iWeight scale. Now, what you have to do when you go to these products, you know, sometimes you may look up and you may find an e-commerce product because there is lists, like it's over 3 pages, and you can go in here. You see I have it sorted. You see I've had my campaign sorted by, you know, mobile optimized, my approved offers, all countries, e-commerce, customer products. So you see it's over 3 lists, and you can go and search different ones, and you will see that some already have a video promotion, but the water mask, this one specifically, it has a video ad, but you have to find it, and you find that by going to YouTube. Now, we click on YouTube, you will see, you know, this is actually the video ad. Now, you know, you will see it's a nice video ad. Discover the beauty under the waves, you know, showing some great drone footage with the easy breathing mask, man, you know. And what you would basically do with this 1 minute commercial, free GoPro attachment, you know, everything that it has, you know, here when you go to the default landing page. Let's just click on that so you can see it. The default landing page, you will see, you know, it has everything here listed, and you could just, they can immediately just buy it, you know, from here. And let's go back to the video. But what you would do with this video, right? You would take the video URL, right? And then you would download this video. Now you can download, it's a lot of different sites you can go. If you type in download YouTube video, but right here we got YouTube, let's see, YouTube download Tube2Make, right? Tube2Make.com, right? And then you could download YouTube audio and video, and you see right here, you could download this video just like that. And the promo video gets downloaded to your computer, right? And you would have to create a YouTube account. Now, it's very simple to create a YouTube account. All you need is a Gmail. As long as you have a Gmail, you can activate, you know, you can activate your YouTube account. But what you would do is, and this is if you want to use Spreezy. Now, Spreezy is a, you know, this method, if you want to go directly and use Spreezy, Spreezy is an easy to use platform, but it's basically YouTube ads. So it's very easy to use. And, you know, you would basically upload the video unlisted to your channel. Once you download the video, you would upload the video unlisted into your YouTube channel. And, from there, you would go into Spreezy, select the video, run a video advertising campaign on it, you know, using your tracking link, right? So you would build a tracking link. Let's just go to contextual raw link, use that, and then you would copy this tracking link right here. You see, you would copy this tracking link, and you would use that when you go into Spreezy and you're setting up your campaign as the landing page. You would, whatever where you would enter the URL for the landing page, you would enter that in. And that goes the same for Facebook ads. That goes the same for if you want to use YouTube ads straight up. Now, you would need the video, you know. So with Facebook ads, you could upload the video, you know, directly once you have it downloaded. And, you know, YouTube ads, you would have to upload the video onto YouTube and provide the URL. And once you do that, you know, you can begin running advertisement, you know, toward your offer. And like I said, it's so many different products, you know, you can find on Max Bounty. You know, the tip of the day is testing, and more testing is what top affiliates do to get to the top. And that's what I want you to know. Like, you know, these other affiliates, they tell you, oh, they show you the money, then they send you down the course. You know, now you done paid, you know, you done watched the video, gave them the AdSense revenue, then you pay for the course, you know, and now, you know, you just found out that you have to do more testing. So that's my whole thing. Like, I just want to remove all of the fluff and just let you know up front that in order to be successful on Max Bounty, you will have to test a lot of these different products. And I'm just giving you the exact way, you know, just to go over it one more time, just to give you a full breakdown. If you wanted to promote this e-commerce mask today, all you have to do is sign up on Max Bounty, right? Find this e-commerce mask. You could type in water mask, econ product, right in the quick campaign search. It'll pop up. Next, you would go to the video marketing advertise. You would go to find this promo, the water mask promo video, right? If you type in water mask promo video, it'll pop up right at the top, right? And then you would take this video right here. You would go up in the link and you would scratch this link. You would download this link, right? And once you download this video, You will upload it onto a YouTube channel, upload it unlisted. You can have it public if you want to, but upload it unlisted. And then, you know, take that URL and you go to Sprizzy YouTube ads, Facebook ads, you know, and you promote that video. You promote that video, but the link where they say where you want the leads, where you want people to click, where do you want them to go, that link you will build in your link, in your tracking link builder. You know, on Max Bounty, you get this link, you just copy that link. You know, you can use a smart URL shortener or a tiny URL if you want to track the number of clicks, but these platforms will track the number of clicks and leads you're getting, and then you can always go back into your Max Bounty dashboard and check your earnings. So you can use this on any e-commerce products as long as you can find a promo video for it. That's the whole thing, is to be able to find a promo video, or to even get more assertive and more direct and order the product yourself, record a video yourself, and use that as your marketing. So it's whatever you want to do. I just want to give y'all the real, the raw, the truth. I'm gonna be dropping videos like this all year. You will know about Yon World. So just make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, comment this video for the YouTube algorithm. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out.